Welcome back, guys. So we're here with Afsisterwig once again. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the package of the day. So once I open the package, I am seeing the wig. I also got a rat tail comb, a edge brush, and comb. All right, before we get into the wig, let's see what other goodies I got. There's also a pair of HD wig caps, some pins, and lastly, there is a clip in here, carbon clip you can use when you're styling your wig and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the wig of the day. So this is the wig that we're working with today, guys. The gorgeous loose wave texture. All right, it's 20 inches long, and I'm gonna put all that specification down below in the description box so you can check it, you know, the density, all that good stuff. But what's so crazy, what's so great about today's wig is that this is a whole lace cap, transparent lace wig. You can do any style that you wish to do with this wig. This wig is different. This whole lace cap wig is different because it's not constructed like a lot of the other full lace wigs. Okay, this everything is consistent. The quality of the lace is consistent from front to back. You know, like with other lace wigs, in the mid portion usually will look whiter, and then at the back and the front you have the lace in unison. No, with this it's consistent. Okay, and it's a pre-plucked lace front, of course, as usual. I love this. I think this is stunning. They did add adjustable straps in the back of this, and there's a total of 4 combs for added security. Also, there are these adjustable straps on the inside, and everything is bleached. The knots are bleached. If you want to, you know, do a whole braided style like I'm showing you guys, you can do that, guys. You can explore with this wig. If you want to do a really nice elegant updo with a wig, here is your wig, guys. Oh my gosh, this wig is a 10 out of 10 already. Everything is hand tied, and you can do any hairstyle that you like. All right, also this wig cap size can be customized. Now this one that I have is a medium, but it can be customized further because Afsisterwigs, they do offer the service of customizing your size. So all you need to do is send in your measurements, and you just contact them via email, and based on your head circumference, the customized size will fit you perfectly. I love the consistency of this whole lace cap wig. One of my biggest thing is that it doesn't have that mid portion, like that elastic net portion that a lot of the regular full lace wigs have. This is very consistent, very professional looking, very realistic. Yeah, I want to show you guys how realistic this whole lace cap wig looks like. So if you do partings in the back, it's gonna come off as if it's scalp. Like, what? Look at that. What? You don't have to be afraid that, okay, it's gonna be a different color of lace than what's at the front. It is perfect. Before I go ahead and slip this on, I'm gonna remove the lace at the back portion. You just want to take your time to carefully cut this away.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
So you just want to adjust your elastic band on the inside of the cap to make sure it's as snug as you want it to be. And that's how it should look once you cut away the excess in the back, and then you just go ahead and slip it on. First thing I'm gonna do before I move any further with anything else is, of course, you know, apply the lace. And I'm just gonna use some lace bond spray for today's application. By the way, I don't need to cut off any excess on the side. It fits perfectly. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my lace bond spray.
Every little thing you do
once the wig is installed, you could go ahead and explore, as I said, because this wig is definitely a luxury. It's a 10 out of 10. You could go ahead and do any hairstyle you want to do. Okay, I'm just showing you guys right off the bat all the space you have to play with. Like, you see that? You can do a deep side part, a regular side part. You could do a center part. At any side. But let me go ahead and give you guys a few options. So let me just kind of spray these down, because remember, this is a loose wave. This is a loose wave wig. So first, I'm gonna give you the option to just go ahead and you can do a regular like pony. You could do a regular like ponytail, like updo, and you could let this down, or you could put it in a bun. But I want to show you guys the features, so I want to show you guys it like fully up. So I'm gonna do a bun. This is how we're looking. If you wanted to just go ahead and do it like in one, you want to be more laid back, but you just leave out a few pieces to make it really cute.
With you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want.
I think that's stunning. I think that's gorgeous, guys. You see this dark up area? I got a burn. My hot cold burnt me. Don't mind that. Don't mind it. But yeah, so let's go in, and I'm gonna show this lace off now. Kind of want to give it a very nice undone vibe like that.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it.
You get the picture. I told you guys, I know I'm horrible with parting, but you see how that looks like scalp? Yep, that's giving scalp. That is giving scalp. So guys, go crazy. Go crazy with the hairstyles.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher.
And there you have it, guys. I gave you 3 different styles with this hair, with this wig. AF sister, you really did that. Feel free to go ahead and explore, as I said, with this wig. It is a 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. I love it. Please note that there is shedding a little bit more than I would like, so hopefully, you know, they upgrading that aspect. But yeah, the wig in terms of the features and everything is really good. It's very realistic, a very timeless wig. As you can see, I'm just doing complete pullback no swoops, no baby hairs, no nothing, and it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Yeah, I hope you found this informative. The direct link, everything is down below. You know, sales, Black Friday is coming up, all of that. So if there's any sale or anything down below is where you can find all the details. So go ahead, check that out. Shout out to Afsisterwig once more for today's bomb wig. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.